need to take parts off the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Dents? Let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Super! Magnificent! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Super duper! That's it! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. That's great. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. I knew you could do it. There's something wrong with the wires. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Keep going. Perfect. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Circle. Triangle. Star. Square. Heart. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Bucket Wheel Excavator.